The one thing that we're missing here in New Mexico, snow.
But gotta wait till tomorrow, at least for some areas.
Okay.
But here in Albuquerque, looking rain. But we're dealing with the cold this morning. We're feeling like the low 20s in Albuquerque. We're feeling below zero in Alamosa. Wind chill values as low as -22 right now in Wolf Creek, Colorado. More than that, just a bit. And feeling below zero for much of the Northeast Highlands. Feeling even below freezing in southeast New Mexico and feeling like the low 30s in southern and western New Mexico. We got extreme cold weather advisories in the northeastern highlands from Clayton, Mosquito, the Wagon Mound to Raton for wind chill values as low as 5 degrees above zero to 15 below. Of course, in the San Juan Mountains feeling colder, but that's seasonably cold for this time of year. Air temperatures in Wolf Creek, Colorado below zero, 1 below right now. With that 22-mile-per-hour wind, that wind gust of 26 miles per hour, we're feeling like -22. And we can actually see the tops of the San Juan Mountains because of the waning gibbous moon. It was a full moon yesterday, so we got some passing clouds, but no rain or any snow. If you look closely enough, you can see some stars or planets or satellites, so kind of a pretty nice morning, but cold out there. Here are the air temperatures out there. 9 in Clayton, feeling occasionally below zero out there. 12 in Raton. 8, a much colder morning in Las Vegas. 19 Santa Rosa. 29 in Carlsbad. Patchy fog in eastern New Mexico between Santa Rosa and Clovis. Not as widespread as yesterday morning, nor as thick, but something to keep in mind with the below freezing temperatures, icy conditions out there potentially. 28 in Albuquerque. 15, a very cold morning there in Santa Fe. 8 in Farmington. 33 in Las Cruces, 37 right now in Deming. Here's a live look at Albuquerque. Again, that waning gibbous moonlight highlighting the Sandias. This morning we're sitting at 28. Calm winds, but the past few observations showcasing a slightly stronger wind and a lower dew point starting to drop below zero. So pretty cold and dry out there. Last hour, dew point 6 degrees, but dropping below zero as we speak, and temperatures will likely drop and follow suit. We are dealing with mostly clear skies for most clouds off to the south and some wispy clouds in parts of the northern mountains, but no rain or any snow today. And we're going to be warmer for most areas except where the conditions will be more humid. It'll be chillier today in Roswell, Carlsbad, Hobbs, and Tucumcari. Temperatures in the 40s now. Tucumcari warmer than yesterday, but Clovis to the south cooler compared to yesterday. Elsewhere, chilly but warmer compared to yesterday. In the mid-50s in Albuquerque, upper 40s Santa Fe. 30s and 40s in the northern mountain communities, 50s and 60s farther to the south and west. And with slightly warmer weather, still breezy weather and dry weather, we have red flag warnings from the San Luis Valley near Antonito and places like Alamosa. Pretty low humidity and winds from the southwest will elevate the potential for fires to ignite. Now here in Albuquerque, not as windy as yesterday and milder, right around 54 degrees, a mostly sunny day, a beautiful day out there. Less clouds compared to yesterday, maybe some drizzle in southeast New Mexico at best. Rain, snow developing in the Four Corners. That will start to move in overnight tomorrow morning, hitting parts of the central mountains, the northern mountains, and heavy mountain snow starting to really develop in the San Juan Mountains to the Sangre de Cristo Mountains. Now Albuquerque will be mostly a rain event, but the San Mateo Mountains may get some snow. The Sandias, Santa Fe, you may get just a little bit of accumulating snow. Rain and snow widespread tomorrow on Valentine's Day. Lovely weather if you guys like the rain and snow, but not so lovely if you don't like the wind. Winter storm warnings for the Sangre de Cristo Mountains, parts of the Rio Arriba County Mountains and the Carson National Forest, and the San Juan Mountains for feet of snow, especially in some of the higher peaks. Valentine's Day in Albuquerque looking like it'll warm up to start. Clouds will move in, winds will pick up, rain will start to fall, and then it'll start to clear out and really cool off toward the evening hours. Speaking of snow, here's what we're looking at. Several inches up to a foot or more from Durango all the way to Chama. Barely, if anything, in the Albuquerque metro. Santa Fe into the higher peaks, you may get a little bit in the northeast highlands. Even some snow in the northern and western mountains. So, yeah, wintry ahead, wet and wintry in Durango. Lower temperatures after the storm moves on through. Alamosa mostly dry today, but you guys will likely deal with some snow ahead. By the way, red flag warning, as I mentioned today. We're going to be much more humid at the surface and colder with the snowstorm moving in eventually. Dulce and Grants not as windy. 40s and 50s. You guys will get some rain and snow ahead. Come out to the south. 50s and 60s, a beautiful day. Now to far southern areas, it'll be mostly dry of the storm system. Las Cruces, Alamogordo, all the way to Roswell. 60s and 70s tomorrow, but at the expense of the elevated fire threats and stronger winds. Now places like Clovis to the north may get a little bit of rain and snow tomorrow. Either way, a bit breezy today and windier tomorrow with the storm system. The jackpot of the snow, not only in the San Juan Mountains, but parts of the Sangre de Cristo Mountains, Red River, Angel Fire, 30s today. Overnight lows definitely below freezing ahead with some of the rain and snow moving in across the region. Moriarty, Mountain Air, Tijeras, sunny today, and from the north to south valley of Albuquerque. Mostly sunny today, but looking a bit wet tomorrow. I don't think we'll see much, if any, snow in Albuquerque proper, but either way, it'll cool off Valentine's Day night over into Saturday morning. Briefly cooler Saturday, then warmer Sunday and Monday.
Cupid better have some good wings if he's going to be blown around in that wind on Friday, but
yeah.
And get a workout.
Yeah, at least we'll take the rain, measurable rain, but just watch out for some travel issues. But we'll welcome it. Valentine's Day.
Not the worst. All right, thanks a lot, Ryan.